Right, this is a steering column cover that we're remoulding into the new one. So your key goes there and your indicators and stuff comes out of there. So it's going from Vauxhall Corsa to Classic Mini, because the Classic Mini is the same as the countach, but obviously the original one doesn't fit, so we're remoulding that. It's had some PVA on it, ready to put some gel coat on it, fiberglass, take a mould, and then we can then take a copy of it then. Right, now we've got the gel coat on there, just finished putting it on. Now it's got one colour. You can see the shape is going to actually turn out to be, which is so you basically we're going to be looking onto it. So your key's going to go by there, that's your key on there. So yeah, we just wait for that to go off and then we can fiberglass over the top of it. Right, so we got all the crap out of the inside of the mould, and this is what the mould looks like. So I PVA'd in there, now I waxed it, so I'm waiting for that to go off, and then we can take a mould then for a bit that is going to come out, and jobs are good then. Right, so we fiberglassed the moulds, and out they come, and we got all the little details and everything in it. There's the screw holes there to screw them together. And there's that one. So they'll go together like that once they're cleaned up. And they'll go together like that. See, presto, instant cowl. Well, I wouldn't say instant, but that's how it's done. Okay, I've temporarily put it on here. I'm just holding it with my hands at the moment. Pretty good, only on the temporary at the moment, but we've got it mocked up. So yeah, it's come out pretty good. And I just put a bit of paint on it to show you what it's kind of going to look like. It's really rough and then we'll as you can see. There we go.